Hi, this is Matt Wagner with Erickson Field Service. I'm coming to you today from the rooftop of a medical building in St. Louis, Missouri. And today, this morning, I am performing preventive maintenance for a site that belongs to a major U.S. carrier. And while not a break-fix activity today, this activity will go a long way in keeping America running as the summer months begin to heat up and we start to see a lot of environmental failures in these type of cabinets and builds if we have clogged filters, fan failures, etc. So all good here, doing my part to keep America running. Hope everyone is staying safe, and let's keep at it.